Hey guys, in this video, I would like to say how to host your static website on a GitHub account. For this, you need to have a valid GitHub account on the code of your static website. This is a code which I want to host, and see that there is an index.html file in your root directory. So let's get started. First, sign in to your GitHub account. Let me do that. Once this is done, create a new repository. Give the name to the repository. I would like to give the name as Kyotech. And select public and click on create repository. So the static website can be hosted in 3 ways. These are the 3 ways in which you can host your static website. I am going to use Git Bash to push my code into this repository. I will provide you a link in the description so that you can download Git Bash in a local desktop. Navigate to the file of your static website, right click and select Git Bash here. First give this command git init. It initializes an empty repository. Now check the status of our files. The status of the files can be visible. Those are in red color because the files are not added. Now enter the command git add means all the files. This adds up all the files. Now check status of the files. Now you can see all the files got added. Now commit the files by entering this command space dot so that all files are get committed. You can see all files have got committed. After entering all these 3 commands, there are last 2 important commands which you need to enter. Git remote add origin. Enter this command in your command line. This adds remote origin to the file. At last, enter this command to push the code into your repository. After this, it will ask for your username and password. Enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, the code gets pushed into your repository. You can see that the code is being pushed into your repository. Now go back to your GitHub account. Just try to refresh. You can see that all the files in our local systems are being pushed into this repository. And there are few settings which you need to do. Go to settings and navigate to GitHub pages. In the source, select master branch. You can see the link of your static website page. Open the link in new window. You can see the static website has been hosted. In this way, you can host your static website in GitHub. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up.